Have you ever dreamed of building your own artificial intelligence? It might sound like something from a science fiction movie, but with amazing tools available today, it's something anyone can do. Welcome to Vertex AI Studio 2025. Think of it as your very own digital laboratory for creating AI. It's a special place on the cloud, which means you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. You don't need a super powerful computer at home. Google's powerful computers do all the heavy lifting for you, making it simple to start your journey into the exciting world of AI development and discovery. Vertex AI Studio is especially wonderful for beginners. Why? Because it was designed to be friendly and easy to use. In the past, building AI required years of study and complex coding. But now, this platform removes those barriers. It offers many pre-trained models which are like AI brains that already know how to do specific tasks. This saves you a huge amount of time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch, you can stand on the shoulders of giants. The platform is also scalable, which means your small weekend project can grow into a big, powerful application without you having to switch tools or learn a new system. Getting started is as easy as opening a new app on your phone. When you first open Vertex AI Studio, you'll see a clean and organized dashboard. This is your command center. On the left side, you'll find a menu with all the tools you need, clearly labeled for you. You can find options for managing datasets, exploring models, and starting new projects. The interface is designed to guide you, so you never feel lost. Your first step is to simply click on the New Project button. This action will open up a new workspace where all the magic is about to happen, putting you in the driver's seat of your AI adventure. Once you start a new project, the platform will guide you through the initial setup. You'll give your project a name, maybe something fun like My Awesome Picture Sorter. Then, you'll be prompted to choose a dataset. A dataset is just a collection of information you want your AI to learn from. This could be a folder full of pictures, a spreadsheet of customer reviews, or any other data you have. Vertex AI Studio makes it very easy to upload your own data, or even choose from a library of public datasets. It's a simple process that feels more like organizing your files than doing complex engineering work. Now for the most exciting part, building your AI model. One of the best features of Vertex AI Studio 2025 is its drag-and-drop interface. This means you don't need to write lines and lines of complicated code. Instead, you can build your AI by connecting different blocks together like building with digital Legos. Each block represents a different step in the process, such as loading data, processing it, and using an AI model to make predictions. This visual approach makes it incredibly clear what your AI is doing at every stage. It turns a complex task into a fun and interactive puzzle that you get to solve. Let's imagine a simple and fun project, creating an AI that can classify pictures of cats and dogs. First, you would start a new project and upload a data set containing 2 folders of images, one labeled cats and the other dogs. Next, you would go to the model library and select a pre-trained image classification model. These models have already been trained on millions of images, so they already know what things like fur, ears, and tails look like. You are simply teaching it to focus on the specific differences between cats and dogs. It's like teaching a very smart student a new specific subject. With your dataset and model selected, you can now connect them using the drag-and-drop builder. You would drag a block for your dataset onto the canvas, then drag a block for the pre-trained model. You would then draw a line to connect them, telling the platform, hey, use this model to learn from this data. It's that visual. You can add other blocks too, perhaps one to resize all the images to be the same, ensuring your model learns consistently. This whole process can be done without writing a single line of code, making it accessible to artists, business owners, students, and anyone with a curious mind. This no-code approach is revolutionary. It empowers you to bring your ideas to life quickly. You can experiment with different models and datasets just by swapping out the blocks. Want to try classifying flowers instead of pets? Just change the dataset. Want to see if a different pre-trained model works better? Just drag a new model block into your project. This flexibility encourages experimentation and learning. You can see the results of your changes almost instantly, which helps you understand how AI works in a hands-on, practical way. It's the perfect environment for learning by doing and for building your confidence as an AI creator. Once you have your project set up, the next step is to train your model. Training is the process where the AI learns from the data you provided. In our example, The AI will look at all the pictures of cats and dogs, learning the patterns and features that make them different. In Vertex AI Studio, you just have to click a Start Training button. The platform takes care of all the complicated calculations behind the scenes. You can watch the progress in real time, seeing how your model gets smarter and more accurate over time. It's like watching a student study for a test, getting better with each chapter they read. But what if you want to make your model even better? Vertex AI Studio gives you simple controls to fine-tune its performance. These are often called hyperparameters, which is just a fancy word for settings. You can adjust things like how many times the model should review the dataset, called epochs, or how quickly it should learn, which is the learning rate. You don't need to be an expert to use these. You can use sliders and drop-down menus to change the settings and then run the training again. This allows you to experiment and see how different settings affect your model's accuracy, helping you build intuition about what works best. After your model is trained, how do you know if it's actually working well? You need to test it. Vertex AI Studio has built-in tools for evaluation. It automatically sets aside a small part of your dataset that the model has never seen before. It then uses these new images to quiz your AI. The platform will show you a report card, telling you what percentage of the images it classified correctly. This is called the model's accuracy. You can even look at specific examples where the model made a mistake, which can help you understand where it needs to improve. This cycle of training, testing, and adjusting is key to building a great AI model. If your model's accuracy isn't high enough, you can go back and tweak the settings or even add more data to your dataset. For example, if your model gets confused by certain dog breeds, you could add more pictures of those breeds to help it learn better. This iterative process is a core part of AI development, and Vertex AI Studio makes it very manageable. It gives you all the information you need to diagnose problems and make your model smarter and more reliable with each attempt. Creating a smart AI model is an amazing accomplishment, but the real magic happens when you share it with the world. Making your model available for others to use is called deployment. With Vertex AI Studio 2025, deploying your model is as simple as clicking a button. The platform can turn your trained model into a web service or an API. This means that other applications, websites, or devices can send data to your model, like a new picture of an animal, and get a prediction back in an instant. You don't need to be an expert in web infrastructure. The platform handles all the technical details for you. Once your model is deployed, it's live and working. People could use your cat and dog classifier on a website to sort pet photos, or a business could use an AI model to analyze customer feedback. The possibilities are endless. To help you manage your live model, Vertex AI Studio provides powerful monitoring tools. You can see a dashboard that shows how many people are using your AI, how fast it's responding, and if it's making any errors. This is crucial for making sure your AI is always running smoothly and providing a great experience for its users. The world is not static, and neither is your data. Over time, you might find that your model's performance starts to decrease. This is called model drift. For example, maybe people start uploading pictures of new pet breeds that your model has never seen. The built-in monitoring tools in Vertex AI Studio will alert you to these changes in performance. When this happens, you can easily go back into your project, add new data to your dataset, retrain your model, and deploy the new, improved version with just a few clicks. This ensures your AI stays relevant and accurate over time. The journey you've just read about, from idea to a fully functional, deployed AI model, is now more accessible than ever before. Tools like Vertex AI Studio are unlocking a future full of incredible possibilities. Individuals can build apps to solve personal problems, and businesses can create smarter services for their customers. Whether you want to build an AI that helps identify plants, suggests new recipes, or analyzes scientific data, you now have the power to start. Your curiosity is the only limit. So what amazing things will you create? The adventure is just beginning.